Okay guys, this is our fidget spinner, all new fidget spinner. It's a glow-in-the-dark hand spinner, and it has like those three-sided. And we got this fidget spinner from Laser Flash. We got 1,000 points, or to say tickets. So let's open this up. So it comes out in a plastic piece that holds the fidget spinner. So I'll show you how this is done. Okay guys, we can't show you how it like glows in the dark because when we have to get in a very dark spot to glow it. So like our iPad, our camera thingy, it can't really see like in a very dark spot, so we can't really do it.
So we can like see how.
I guess we're just gonna spin it. It's a small part of nuts.
Okay, nuts kicker dude. He kicks him in the nuts, his nuts fly off his butt. Okay, and
so I guess we're done with this video. Please subscribe, please like it,
share,
and peace out.
Peace out, guys.